What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be doing, the flags in this cube. So I've already done the series of A and the B. The links are in the description. So today we are going to do C. So let's start. Get your 3x3s or your Pandora cube, and now we will start. Hello guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you hit the subscribe bell and also hit the bell icon, and also the cubes and the patterns which we did in the 3x3, the flags, you can also do them in the Pandora cube. And stay tuned up for my next ones, D, E, F and many more. So till then, bye bye.